Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to change your About section on WhatsApp. This is a quick and easy way to personalize your profile and let your contacts know a little more about you. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on it. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. Now tap on your profile picture or your name at the top of the screen. This will open up your profile details, where you can make changes to your photo, name, and About section. Once you're in your profile, locate the About section and tap on it. This is where you can customize what others see about you. Here's the fun part. You have 2 options for updating your About. You can either choose one of WhatsApp's preset options like Available, Busy, or At Work, or you can create something entirely unique by tapping on the pencil or edit icon. Write a custom message that reflects your personality or mood. After you've made your choice or written your custom message, don't forget to tap Save. This ensures that your new About is updated and visible to your contacts. And that's it. You've successfully changed your About on WhatsApp. It's a simple process that takes just a few moments, but adds a personal touch to your profile. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.